Hello dear students, myself Professor Prakash Deshpande, Faculty of KLS Gogte BCA College. I welcome you all to the Gogte BCA family, and I would like to congratulate you all for making a wise decision in taking admission to Gogte BCA College. In today's session, we will try to go through the various subjects as part of first semester PCA, which is being prescribed by Rani Channamma University, Belagavi. And in the later session, I will take you through the subject syllabus, which I will be teaching you in the first semester. The subjects in the first semester BCA are divided into three sections. That is part 1, AECC, Ability Enhancement Compulsory Courses. In this part, you will be learning two languages. One language will be English, which is a compulsory language, and you have given a choice to select one more language as either Kannada or Hindi. The second part, you will be learning the DSC courses, that is discipline specific courses. In that, you will be learning C programming, computer fundamentals, and for both the C programming and the computer fundamentals, you will be having a practical subjects respectively as C programming lab and computer fundamentals lab. Apart from these four subjects, you will be having one theory subjects that will be based upon your background in PUC 2. If you are from science background, you will be studying financial accounting, or if you are from accounts background, that is commerce background, you will be studying mathematics as the subject. Then you will be having one more programming lab, that is office automation. In this particular lab, you will be studying advanced features of Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access. In the part 3, again this will be a AECC, that is Ability Enhancement Compulsory course. In that, you have two subjects. One is Indian Constitution and second is co-curricular and extension activities. In the first semester, I will be teaching you C programming theory and C programming lab courses. Let us go through the syllabus prescribed for the C programming theory. C programming course, you have theory as well as a lab. The theory subject is divided into 5 different sections called as units. You have unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and unit 5. In unit 1, we will be studying introduction to programming languages and problem solving methodologies. On a broader perspective, what are the different types of programming languages, the classification of that, and how to solve if a particular given problem is given, and what are the methods to solve those particular problems. On a broader perspective, we will be studying the problem solving methodologies. In the unit 2, we will try to begin with the actual C programming concepts, and we will go through the introduction part of the C programming and operators and expressions which are there in the C programming. In the unit 3, we will try to learn the input and output operations, that is input output functions and control structures. In the unit 4, we will be learning arrays, strings and library functions. And the final unit, that is unit 5, we will be trying to learn the user-defined functions, storage classes in C program and structures and unions. So overall, the C programming syllabus is divided into 5 different units. Now the teaching hours and examination pattern for both theory and practical sessions. For the theory paper, the code of the paper is BCA DSC 1.3 and the title of the paper or the course is C programming. Per hour, you will be learning 5 hours. That is 5 classes you will be having per week. Each class will run for 1 hour duration. Total hours in order to complete the theory paper will be 60 hours. That is 60 hours is allocated for teaching, learning the C programming theory. And for the point of examination, you will be having 2 types of examination. One is the internal assessment, what we call it as IA, and second is final examination. The IA will be carried away for 20 marks. It will be evaluated for 20 marks, and the final assessment, final examination will be evaluated for 80 marks and total for 100. Once you complete the theory subject, you will be earning 3 credits for the theory subjects. So whereas for the practical, the paper code is BCA DSC 1.6 and the title is C Programming Lab. Per week, you will be having 3 hours. These 3 hours is divided into 2 parts, that is 2 labs will be there per week and each lab will run for 1.5 hours. For the point of examination, the total marks allotted for practical is 50 marks and that is divided into final examination and internal assessment. Internal assessment will be evaluated for 10 marks and the final examination will be evaluated for 40 marks, total 50 marks. And at the end of this particular practical paper, you will be earning 1 credits. This is the overall the syllabus of the C programming and the teaching and examination pattern. Thank you, students.